I wake up at 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, and I do my normal stretches. And then the remote control is so strong that I can't even sit down to put my shoes on. So I have to get this long sleeved shirt because my arms are exposed and the radioactivity is so thick that I can't even barely fucking move. This is what you guys have been getting away with? Fucking Durbin and McConnell and all you fucking fuckers, man? Really? This is what you've been getting away with? This is government sanctioned? Really? This whole time? That's what your great master plan is? Really, man? Are you kidding me?